We're going to look at four things. First of all, what we learn about God. Don't you think that would come first? What we learn about God. And then, what was this terrible sickness that brought such a terrible fall, resulting in so much hurt? And then, if there was a remedy, why did not they seek it? And last of all, there was the tragedy of the loss of opportunity. The harvest is past. The summer is ended. And we're not saved. How about taking a look at God in verse 22? Is there no balm in Gilead? Is there no physician there? This is a rhetorical question. Of course, there is medicine. The answer is that God's Word is the medicine, and it's available. And He Himself is the great physician to treat and to cure the sin and the addiction that they had to these things. Oh, what a wonderful God. But they didn't appreciate Him. There were so many other things that they liked to have, including idols and images and things that they knew that God hated. But oh, don't forget who God is. He's the one that allowed these terrible things to happen. They didn't seek a cure for their sickness. Now there was no help after the fall, because the prophet writes as though it had already happened. Now, secondly, we want to take a look at what this terrible sin is. What was this terrible sickness that led to such defeat and national injury? In verse 19, why have they provoked me to anger with their graven images and with strange vanities? That is to say, alien or foreign and unbecoming vanities. Now, vanity means emptiness, that which in itself has no value and no worth, and it is strange, it is alien, it doesn't belong to the people of God at all. But note those words. They provoked me. They provoked me, and provoked me to anger. So we understand now what that sickness was, and which the Apostle Paul refers to as covetousness, which is idolatry. Taking, clinging, adhering to that which God does not want them to have at all. While outwardly claiming, of course, to belong to the Lord as they were His chosen people, they persistently did cling to the idols and those things that represented the idols. See, something was seriously wrong on the inside.